Hello and welcome to my channel where we make structural engineering design simple and easy. My name is Olodukonyedi and I'm your host. I want to say big thank you to everyone who has subscribed to this channel, and those who are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to this channel. Today we'll be talking about how to arrange your columns, your beams from your architectural drawing. Most often this is what you get as a civil engineer. This is the ground floor, first floor, second floor, and third floor. So from here the architect has suggested how he wants the column to appear. So we will try to work with this. So the first thing we do is to copy this column position, and we'll try to superimpose it on these other floors, and we'll see what we get. So what we do is to copy all this. When we say copy, we look for a reference point, which is we are taking our reference point from circle and 1, and we'll have to put them on the other areas like that. So we move them, and this is where we try to paste so that every one of them enters exactly. So if we copy this now, let's assume we'll copy this. I'm just showing you a copy. We'll copy this, but what we'll do is to copy all of them at once. But what I'm doing now is just to show you a typical example of what we'll do. Once we say copy, as in right click, copy select, we'll come to this reference point, we click, and we'll come here at this reference point, we click. So we see where it falls here, and now it's affecting every other one. So that's what we'll do for all of them. I'm just showing you this because it's quite faster to do one than to do all. But for you, what we'll do is to copy all of them and we'll start. Right. So if you look now, we've done that, and this is where our columns are falling. Yep, they are all falling at these areas. This is how it's falling. So some of them are falling here. So the next thing we need to do is to see how to arrange the floor and see how it goes. So the next one now, this is our column position on the architectural. Now is to create our structural layout. So with this, these are things that are budging. So after that, we have to now delete all this and get our beams, slab, and column. So we've cleaned all that, and this is what we are having. This is what we are having. This is the structure that we are having. And what I'm looking at from here to here, if you take your dimension, so if you take your dimension, we're having 7.66 to this point and another 7.66, which is going 3 floors. And most time it may be very large. Because of your span, 7 meter by 7 meter, and it's if we do it that way, if you see, all this will be a secondary beam on the rear beam, on the primary beam, which will make it very heavy. And so after I try doing it like this, but if it's not giving you the right results, or the reinforcement is very large, or the sizes are very large, what you need to do is to look for a way to break this by either putting columns here, by breaking it. So whatever means you do, this is how we do the arrangement of beams and column. So we'll stop here, but if you have any question, please feel free to communicate back to us. And if you are yet to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Thanks.